my channel. So today is going to be a little day in the life video. We're going to do some fun little activities, but today it is actually raining. Sometimes the sun peeps out for a little bit, but then it goes away again, and it's just not the best weather. So we're going to do some cozy little activities together, and maybe even a bit of cleaning and organising and looking after this guy, my dog, who just peeped his head out. Now, since it's raining, what always makes me feel better is a little workout. We'll do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. That's what my workouts consist of. So I was thinking maybe we could do a workout today just to lift my spirits and to just stay productive even though it's such a cloudy and rainy, miserable day. Let's just get straight on into it. Let's go. Okay, so we're now in the upstairs living room, which is like the official, unofficial gym slash hangout area. So I'm gonna do my little workout, be a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And I've got my laptop here so that I can do like a workout class or something. So let's just head straight on into it. I was trying to change the weights for these, but this one like isn't turning, because like on this one you can like turn it to change the weight, but this one's like fully stuck. So I might just have to use the one for today. And somehow the sun is out again.
Go this under. I know we're going somewhere into the danger zone. It all points right to that. I set myself aside, lead the way on this trial.
And now 20 minutes later, after the sun just came out, now the clouds are coming back again, and it's gonna start raining again. I'm not really bothered to get changed out of my workout outfit, so I thought I'd just do a little fit check. So my pants are from Cotton On Body, and then my top was from Lululemon, and then this jumper, I just thrifted it somewhere. But our next activity, we're going to be doing a little bit of reading because I haven't been doing that much reading lately, so we need to get back into the reading grind. Okay, so the book that I'm going to be spending a little time reading today is Icebreaker. So I haven't gotten very far into the book. I've read about like 100 pages so far, and I will say this book is so entertaining and I do get really engaged while I read it. However, there are quite a lot of characters and I do kind of get confused between who's who. So it does take me a while I'm reading it to kind of like remind myself. I do like forget what's going on. So while I'm reading it, I do have to like retrack and think, okay, who's this person, who's that person? But that's just a me problem. I do really like this book so far and I do recommend it. I also chose this book to read today because this book is so like winter vibes, and since we're in like the middle of winter right now, I thought this just like suits the theme so perfectly. Because like the book's about like ice skating and stuff, so it's like perfect winter vibes. So let's get reading.
Waking up to another day. Myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day.
so we have reached the end of the day and also the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this provided at least a little bit of entertainment for you. I've been really enjoying making these videos, so hopefully I can make more in the future. I really love just spending nice cozy days indoors, snuggling up, doing these cute little activities. I really enjoyed it, and I hope that you enjoyed watching it. So thank you so much, and hopefully I will see you next week.